Hey guys and girls, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Vechain coin, that is one of the strongest bullish coin among the top 20 cryptocurrencies and tokens. So in today's video, we will try to understand how the Vechain completed the bullish setup and what the price action can do next. First of all, let me just show you the bullish setup that the Vechain completed before this strong bullish rally that was more than 450%. The price action was moving in a down channel since November 2019, and here we received a dark moon. This is the moon phases indicator that I have placed on this chart. That is really very useful indicator to predict whether the price action will break out or break down the support or resistance of the channel. And you can see that a new full moon was appeared. This is the bullish moon at a very high distance, high altitude above this resistance of the channel, and the new dark moon was appeared at the support. So this was a clear signal that it will be really very difficult for the price line to break down the support of this channel, and it will be easy for the price line to break out this resistance of the channel, at least up to this new full moon. And if we watch the volume profile indicator, I have just placed this volume profile on the complete price action within this channel. And this volume profile indicator is also giving a very clear signal that the trader's interest is almost up to here. That is 76 Satoshis. That is very high from the resistance of the channel. Therefore, it was very easy for the price line to move up to this level. And if we watch the trader's interest up from the downside, then that was strong up to 43 Satoshis. That was very high from the support within this channel. So therefore, we had really very clear signals, two very clear signals by the volume profile indicator and the moon phases indicator after hitting this support of the channel that the price action can break out this channel. And after breaking out this resistance, the price action turned very strong bullish without retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. It moved up. And even on the weekly chart, the long-term weekly chart, the price action was moving in a down channel. It was a really very strong rejection line for the price line. For example, here you can see it was almost rejected from here, and at this level it was also rejected, and here back in December 2019 the price action rejected, but at that time the price action did not move at the support, and it was moving sideways, not the sideways but down, but not moved up to this support. And after that in Feb 2020, the price action again tried to break out this resistance and move down, and again tried to break out this resistance in April 2020 and move down, and finally in May 2020 the price action is able to break out this resistance with a powerful bullish rally of more than 450%. And this is the moving average with the time period of 100, 25, and 50. At this time, the price action on the long term having the strong support of 100 simple moving average. That is almost at 100 Satoshis. For example, if the price action will start the bearish rally or correction rally from here, then it can retest this support. However, I'm expecting that this 25 simple moving average will be moved up to provide the support to the price line very soon on the long-term weekly chart. And if we watch on the daily chart, then we have the 25, 50, 100, and 200. The 25 is above all, then we have 50, then 100, and then 200. The biggest time period moving average is below all. That is a complete formation of an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. That is a really very strong bullish signal, and the price action is moving sideways. Even the price action is likely to be consolidated at this level. For example, if the price line will be moved down, then it can retest the 25 simple moving average on the daily chart first, or maybe this 25 simple moving average will be moved up to provide the support to the price line, and the price line will be moved up from this level. And if we watch on the weekly chart again, and I've placed the Ichimoku cloud here. Then the price action turned very strong bullish, and it has broke out this bearish cloud without any resistance. You can see how much bullish it was. The price action broke out this cloud, and it is also turned bullish. And if we watch the lagging span of the cloud, let me to make it more visible for you guys. This is the lagging span, and this is the conversion, and this is the baseline. Now we can clearly see that this lagging span has also crossed up this bearish cloud. That is also another very powerful bullish signal. And the conversion line has crossed up the bearish line, this baseline. So that is also another powerful bullish signal. So Ichimoku cloud is completely turned strong bullish on the weekly chart, and now it will be working as a support for the price line. Whenever the price line will be moved down, it will provide a strong support for the price action. But at this time, there is a big distance between the cloud and the price action. I'm expecting, for example, if the price action will be not moved up from here, it can move sideways. In the meanwhile, this bullish cloud will become more stronger, and when the price action will be moved down, it will provide a strong support for the price line. But at this time, if we move on the smaller time period chart, on the 4-hour chart, then the price action is forming the different bull flags. This was the first bull flag after the bullish rally, and at this time the price action is moving in a symmetrical triangle that is also likely to be the second bull flag. And at this time the price action is moving at the end of this triangle, and this symmetrical triangle is getting squeezed, so therefore it is a decision making time for the price line to break out or break down the support or the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Like it broke out here, I'm expecting another breakout from the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, because at this time all the signals are bullish, and especially on the long term we are having very bullish signals by the Ichimoku cloud. However, the furthermore upward or downward move depends on the breakout or breakdown from this pennant. So we will watch this move of the price action. When the price action will take the final decision, it will break down the support or break out this resistance of the pennant. I'll definitely post an update on that move as well. So this was the update so far by the price action of Vechain coin. And at the end of this video, I would like to also share this blog with you that I've just recently started, and I'm sharing all the detailed analysis on this blog as well. That will be really very helpful for you guys. I'm also sharing the link of this blog in the video description. You can find the link for this blog there. So I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.